What model rear leaf bagger fits my John Deere LX188?
Are you looking for the whole assembly or replacement bags? Here is a link for the bags if that's all you need. http://www.amazon.com/John Deere rider replacement grass/TP/B0000D1.
I'm not looking for bags, I need to know the model #XXXXX, the bagging system that will fit my John Deere model LX188 Lawn Tractor.
Okay, so you need the whole assembly. I will grab that info for you. Are you looking for the system that utilizes a blower? Also, what size deck is on your mower?
Mower Deck is 48 inches, non-blower.
Sorry for the delay. John Deere makes a 6.5 bushel bag system for your mower. If not already equipped, you will need to install high lift blades to get the materials up the chute and into the bags. Here is a link where you can get more info on the bagging system. My apologies for the confusion. Thanks and have a great weekend.
Series.page. If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.